What's up guys, Chigs here, and today I've got my hands on the Segway Navimow i205 AWD. So this is a fully autonomous robot lawnmower with no wires, no antennas, and some seriously clever tech. But is it actually worth the asking price? Well, let's find out, shall we? Roll the intro. Alright, so this is everything you get in the box. Starting off with your paperwork, you've got user manual and quick start guide. We've got the charging dock over here, along with the power adapter. There is a set of ground screws. You've got a small box which contains some spare blades and some screws. And you've got some metal poles and fixtures, so you can hook up the exact fusion locating system. So this is how it connects to the RTK GPS system. And last but certainly not least, the robot lawnmower itself. Now the first thing that hits me is how compact and portable this device is. I have tried other lawnmowers and they are very heavy. This one is relatively light in comparison, so it's easy to maneuver around if you need to. So on top it says Navimow i205 AWD. You've got a large red stop button, you've got an LED display, and you've got three buttons here: start, power, and home. And over here you have a dial, and I'm assuming that's going to be your cutting lengths. Over here at the bottom it says VisionFence. Turn this thing to the side and flip it over slightly. You can see it says there Segway. Look at those massive wheels, guys. The wheel is made from plastic, finished in orange, and you've got this tread so it can maneuver through the grass. You've got two big wheels and you've got a 360 wheel at the front, which allows you to maneuver in any direction. And here is your blades already attached. And as I showed you earlier, you've got some spares as well, should you need them in the future. All right, now let's quickly mention the price. So the Navimow i205 AWD can be picked up for £899, which is quite competitive considering what this thing can do. Now, if we talk about design straight away, this actually looks a lot more premium than you'd expect from a lawnmower. It's got that clean modern look, low profile, nice curves. It doesn't look like some bulky, heavy garden tool just dumped on your grass. The build quality feels solid too, everything feels well put together, nothing feels cheap, and is clearly designed to live outdoors full time without you worrying about it. Now in terms of what it actually is, this is a fully autonomous robotic lawnmower. But unlike traditional ones, there's no boundary wires, which makes this much easier to set up. Everything is built into the system, so you're not setting up extra hardware around your garden. Instead, it uses RTK GPS combined with vision-based navigation, so it actually knows exactly where it is and where it needs to cut. And because of that, it moves in clean, structured lines, not random patterns. So the end result is clean, straight cut lawn, like you've already put the effort in yourself, even if you haven't. Now, setting up was very easy. Just place the dock on a grassy patch, pin it down with the included 4 ground screws. Then you're simply sticking a rake in the ground and screwing in the RTK GPS module at the top of the pole, and then plugging it all into the back of the main unit. You also need to plug in the power cable and then download the Navimow app, and then just simply follow the on-screen instructions to map your garden. And this supports both manual and automatic mapping. So no digging trenches, no measuring your garden like you're building a football pitch. It just figures it out. And once it's done, that's it. You are basically retired from lawn duty. This is one of those rare bits of tech where you actually think, why wasn't it always like this? It's IP66 rated, so yeah, rain, dirt, even hosing it down, no problem at all. As long as you have a waterproof outdoor socket, you can leave this whole thing outside. Now the main selling point here is AWD, all-wheel drive. And no, this isn't just there to sound cool on the box. You actually notice it when it's moving around. It handles slopes up to 45 degrees, which is pretty mad for something this size. So if your garden isn't perfectly flat, or you got those annoying uneven bits, this just deals with it, no drama. It doesn't panic, it doesn't get stuck, it just keeps going, which is more than I can say for most people cutting grass manually. Now in terms of cutting, you have got an 18 centimeter cutting width and adjustable height from 20 millimeters to 60 millimeters. So there are 6 levels of cutting that you can choose from the top of the unit. So whether you want that clean, short look or a slightly more natural vibe, you've got options. But the real difference here is how it cuts. Because it actually follows a proper path, you get these nice, clean lines across your lawn. Not that random, it's been attacked by a robot look you sometimes get with other brands. It genuinely looks like someone's been out there putting in the effort, even though they definitely haven't. Now, let's talk about the brains behind it all, the smart features and safety. So it's got AI assist obstacle detection. So if there is something in the way, it doesn't just ram into it like it's got something to prove. It slows down, avoids it, and carries on. You've also got lift detection, tilt sensors, and auto blade stop. So if anything goes wrong, it shuts itself down safely, which means you don't have to worry about kids, pets, or that random football somebody left on the grass. It's basically smarter than most of us already. Now, if we talk about app controls, everything runs through the app. And to be fair, it's actually really good. No nonsense, no confusing menus, just clean and simple, very user friendly. You can set schedules, create zones, adjust the cutting height, and track what it's doing. But the best part is, once you have it set up, you really don't need to touch it again. It just does its thing in the background like a quiet employee that never complains. Battery life is pretty solid too. You're getting around 60 minutes of mowing and about the same time to achieve a full charge. It covers roughly 125 square meters per session. And when it runs low, it just goes back, charges itself, and carries on where it left off from. No input needed, no babysitting, which is exactly how this should work. Now, in terms of lawn size, this model is basically for lawns up to 500 square meters, which is basically most UK gardens. So if you've got a standard setup, this is perfect. But if you've got some massive countryside estate, then yeah, you might need something bigger. But for normal people, this is right in the sweet spot. Now, the security features, because yeah, this isn't something you want casually walking off. You've got lift alarms, app alerts, and optional GPS tracking. So if someone tries to steal this from your garden, you are going to get a notification straight away, which is good because this is the kind of thing you don't want disappearing overnight. Now let's talk about real world use. Using this day to day is honestly just easy. It's quiet in operation, which is surprising because I've used other robot lawnmowers, which are noisy as F. This one is quiet in operation. It's consistent and it just gets on with the job. After a few days, you actually forget it's even there, but then you look at your lawn and it just looks clean all the time. And that's when it clicks. This is one of those products that quietly improves your life without you really noticing it. So there you have it, guys. That was the Segway Navimow i205 AWD. And here are my thoughts. So overall, there's a lot to like here. The fact that there are no boundary wires is a massive win and makes setup way easier than traditional robotic mowers. The all-wheel drive actually makes a real difference too, especially if your garden isn't perfectly flat. On top of that, it's very easy to set up, the cutting is clean and structured, and it offers strong value for the price. You are also getting coverage up to 500 square meters, which is good enough for most UK homes, along with good battery life and fast charging. So it just keeps things running smoothly in the background. Now, on the downside, there's not much to complain about, but one thing to keep in mind is that the GPS feature does cost a little extra, which is something you will want to factor in depending on how you plan on using it. But overall, it's a very solid piece of kit. So bottom line, after using this product for a few weeks, you realize pretty quickly this isn't just a gadget. It's basically taking a chore off your life permanently. If you hate cutting grass, this is a no-brainer. If your garden is a bit rough or uneven, even better. And if you just want something that works without effort, this does exactly that. So the Navimow i205 all-wheel drive is one of the smartest and easiest robotic mowers you can get right now, especially at this price. And once you start using it, you're probably not going back to doing it yourself. I hope you found this video useful. Any questions, you guys can fire away in the comments. Don't forget to like and sub and hit the bell notification so you don't miss what's coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.